Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on comments on YouTube. First, you need to log into youtube.com and any browsers that you have. And then in here, just tap on your profile and then go to YouTube Studio. Once done, just go ahead in your settings at the bottom left corner right here. And then go to your channel. So in your channel, just go to advanced settings and then you will see here the options if you want to set your channel for kids. So if yes, so always upload content that made for kids. So it means that you are not restricting your videos. And once you're done, just go ahead and tap the save button at the right corner. And then the next thing you need to do is go to your videos and then the short videos, because I only have short videos, and then click the video and click the show more right over here, and then just scroll all the way down and you will see here the comments and ratings. So in here you have to press the allow all comments. So just check if it is available on your video. So that's how to turn on comments on YouTube. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.